And I am so glad to see another birthday, and today is my 30th birthday. And I'm so grateful to God for me to having seen another birthday. Happy 30th birthday to me. Hey guys, this video is in sponsored collaboration with Aventino Watches, and I want you guys to know that Aventino Watches is an Italian watch brand that sells beautiful watches for ladies and men, and now is the perfect time to visit www.aventinowatches.com to get your watch for your loved one, because we are in the Valentine's season. I will definitely leave the link down in my description box to the website and also their Instagram page. And guess what? Here is the bonus, guys. If you use my unique code mirrordifference.kmc15, you'll get 15% discount on your purchase. 15%, guys. Now this is a win-win. Visit www.aventinowatches.com and get your purchase today. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it has been a really long time, and I just wanted to show you guys how I get this beautiful hairstyle that you've seen previewed in this video. And I had gone ahead and done my hair, pre-done the elastic method. I had elastic band the front and plait the back so I can do this beautiful hairstyle for you. And to do this hairstyle, I just want you guys to know that the only thing I'm using is the passion twist. I am using the lock and twist gel by African Pride and elastic bands, and that's all that I'm using in this hairstyle. And I just want you to pay attention and see what I'm doing as I go along in this beautiful video, and I sure do hope that you guys enjoy this simple short video of how to get your passion twist looking this lovely. So as I go ahead and I twist these passion twists, I am using the lock and twist gel to smooth the frizz. So I use it on the hair as I go down to smooth the frizzes and to have it shiny and neat. And that's all you gotta do, and repeat the steps to get this beautiful hairstyle. And then you're basically doing the same thing again. You use a crochet hook to push under the elastic band, and then you pull through, closing the hook over the hair. You pull through underneath the elastic band or plait, whichever method you choose, and then you draw one side of the twist through the loop and tighten it, and then you go ahead, you twist down with the lock and twist gel. And the lock and twist gel, as I said before, help to smooth out the frizz and have your hair looking really sleek and neat. And there you have it, guys. There you have this beautiful easy fashion twist tutorial just for